teriyaki or salt. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So,
ไม่ก็เป็นมีในមានពីប្រភេទទី1អាសាច់មាន់ហ្នឹងប្រើជាមួយអាកាប់ចាក់គីតារីហ្នឹងហើយប្រភេទទី2អាសាច់មាន់ហ្នឹងប្រើជាមួយច្បាស់
okay, so,
យ៉ានៅពេលដល់គាត់បង្ហាញយើងហើយគាត់ឲ្យយើងធ្វើទាំងដង
okay, any question? Just let me know, alright? So, what are the ingredients that we need? So, chicken thigh. Here. Chicken thigh. No skin, huh? Remove the skin. No skin.
Yes,
Then,
something.
onion leeks. Black pepper. And salt. And of course, skewer. So in Japanese, they call this kushi.
Sushi nó chơi
Kushi. Yes. Take photo, bong. Okay, so what we're going to do now, take your skewer. Take skewer. Skewer. Wear your glove. Glove. Wear glove. We will do actual, okay? Not only watching, because if you watch only, you cannot make it. Okay, so what we do now, cut the chicken, no skin. Cut it around 1 by 2 centimeter, so this cube. Alright, then we will make the onion leeks. In Japanese, they call this one negi. Yes. So in Japanese, they call it negi. Okay, so first, so you watch carefully, this is the proper way, First, we put the small meat on the skewer. Alright, what is the purpose of the small meat? So if you put the negi, the leek, and you cook it, the leek will not move. Because it's locked with the small meat. Okay? And now, you put the big one.